My name is Chris. Welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I drop video updates on how you can make money online. So if that is what you are here for, go ahead to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to participate in the free Ethereum giveaway. So once you participate in this big giveaway, you'll be getting 0.5 Ethereum, which is about $1,000. All you need is your Ethereum wallet address. If you don't have an Ethereum wallet address, go to your Play Store. If you are using an Android device, go to your Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. Search for Trust Wallet. That's it at the top, Trust Wallet app. So install and open. So once you install and open, you create a new wallet. Once you create a new wallet, they are going to tell you they are going to show you a key phrase. That's your secret key phrase. It's about 12. So you have to copy them out in a sheet of paper or another device where you cannot lose it. So once you copy them out, they are going to ask for it in the next section. Once they ask for it, just provide it and ensure that you keep your key phrase very well. Don't share your key phrase with anybody, because that's like, once if you lose your account, that's the only way you can get your account back. And if you share it with somebody, you can always lose all your money or your crypto. So that being said, once you go to your crypto wallet, I'll be using another wallet for this. So if you have a wallet already, you can use another wallet for it. So once you go to the other wallet, just go to your Ethereum. I don't have Ethereum. Okay, let me switch it on. So once you go to your Ethereum, this is my wallet. Go to Ethereum and click on the receive address. So once you click on receive, you can just copy this address. So once you copy this address, there's a link in the description below. The link will take you directly to the website for the giveaway. So just click on the link. In my own case, I will just paste the link here. Just click on the link. So once you click on the link, it will take you to this website. So this is the website. All you need to do is just to input your wallet address here. Once you input your wallet address here, then click on show dashboard. So I'm going to be pasting my wallet address there, then I'm going to click on show dashboard. So as you can see, this is 0.5 Ethereum in my available balance. So the distribution is going to start in 14 days, 6 hours, 34 minutes and 50 seconds as of the time of making this video. So you can see, you can always check out for this in your wallet address. So that's how to claim free 0.5 Ethereum. Which is about $1,000. So guys, you may be asking, is this legit? Is this actually true? Is this actually real? Well, it is a 50-50 chance. So I'm bringing you this opportunity so that you won't miss it. Peradventure, it is real. So guys, ensure that you get started on this. It is free. They are not going to ask you for anything. All you need is just your wallet address. Don't give anybody your key phrase or access to your wallet. Now if you want to earn more, so you can see under their referral earning, they said for every new referral, they're going to be getting 0.1 Ethereum. This kind of looks too good to be true, but if it happens to be true, you can see that you'll be really basking in wealth. So guys, that's how to do it. Right here you see your referral link. If you are good with referral, just copy this and share to your friends, then tell them how to participate. You can see it is very simple to do. So guys, if you really like this video, please ensure you share it with your friend. Drop a like so that YouTube will recommend us, and also support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. And once you do that, please ensure that you turn on the notification bell, because whenever I drop videos, and you are subscribed and notified, you get to see it first. So guys, please ensure you take care of yourself and have a great day ahead.